Xiaomi officially released the very first images of the highly anticipated flagship phone K80 Ultra and its new tablet Redmi K Pad. Both are expected to be unveiled officially in the coming weeks. The Redmi K80 Ultra is spotted in the latest promotional photos wearing an upscale white color. The Redmi K Pad is wearing a trendy purple color. The color suggests that Xiaomi is trying to appeal to buyers who want performance as well as aesthetics. Along with the release of these images, Wang highlighted on his Weibo page as a head of the Redmi brand. According to him, the new tablet and phone will possess top-notch levels in everything. He emphasized they will not lack anything in the K80 Ultra or the K Pad when it comes to quality of the display, processing power, and overall performance. The K80 Ultra and K Pad will both come with MediaTek Dimensity 9400 plus chipset. It is one of the best processors available in the market today. The other highlight is that K Pad screen technology. Wang made a bold claim saying the tablet will feature the best industry IPS display. What this means, users can look up to sharp images, realistic colors, and jerk-free scrolling, something that is important for gaming and work. Although Xiaomi has not revealed the full specification launch date, what they have revealed so far has got the company and public excited.